next up we have a 5-round fight. Bailey Burgess facing off against Toddy Hoyle.
For the boxing GCO British title.
Bailey Burgess already holding numerous titles of his own. Can he add another one to the collection tonight?
He's gonna need a bigger shelf. 5 1.5 minute rounds here.
This is quite a tune, to be fair. I'm feeling this.
Arsenal on the shorts. They won yesterday. Can he win today?
What's happening? For the GCO English boxing title, making way to the red corner, Bailey Burgess.
Bailey Burgess next to the ring.
Fighting from Undisputed Fight Academy.
A very technical fighter is Bailey. Knows what he's doing with a lot of pressure as well.
Yeah, he comes from a very talented gym in general, Undisputed Fight Academy.
Yeah, we've had a good few fighters come out of Undisputed tonight.
Yeah, a good few of them have won as well.
A very busy day for Chris Bladen.
Indeed, indeed. You can catch action like this regularly on a weekly basis live on Leapfrog Fight TV for $9.99 a month, covering over 25 countries across the world. This is the #1 home for all your combat entertainment.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is for the GCO.
Oh, top man.
English boxing title. In the blue corner, we have representing Warriors, Todd Hoyle.
Todd Hoyle fighting out of Warriors, facing off against Bailey Burgess from Undisputed Fight Academy.
And on the line here is the GCO British boxing title.
This one's due to be a banger, folks.
For sure.
If you haven't already, make sure that you download Leapfrog Fight TV for only $9.99 a month.
Get weekly coverage of numerous events across the whole world.
25 countries to be exact.
All from the comfort of your phone or laptop.
And representing Undisputed Fight Academy, Bailey Burgess.
Bailey with the clear home advantage. Can that help him get the victory tonight?
Remember, ladies and gentlemen, these
Both
are
fighters
5
facing it
rounds,
off in the centre of the ring.
They're going to bring it on for the title fight.
This one's going to be
Hoyle
a banger, folks.
versus Burgess. Here we go.
Both fighters with very good gas tanks.
Nice. Aggressive start from Burgess. Big shots.
This is how
Big
Bailey
shots.
fights, though. Non-stop pressure.
Nice.
Oh, good left up there from Bailey. Egg guards off.
There's that much power in Bailey's punch, it's even ruined his own head guard. We are back in. Bailey picking up as he left off here. Nice,
good body
nice.
shot there from Bailey. Nice right hand there from Bailey Burgess. Double jab and across from Toddy. Oh, good screw shot there.
Nice big swing and a miss there. Luckily for Hoyle. Oh, nice there from Hoyle though. Bailey turns him though. And the ref breaks that. Yeah, plenty of venom in those body shots there from Bailey.
Oh. Bailey throwing with pure conviction here.
Nice.
Oh.
Nice. Bailey doing a good job mixing it up here. To the body, to the head. Being very unpredictable, really hard, making things difficult for Hoyle. Really solid round for Bailey. Let's see what the comments from the coaches in the corner can do to change the toil of this fight so far.
Both fighters coming from very reputable gyms with a lot of knowledge and experience.
Yeah, putting on a good show to start off this first round of the bout too. Hopefully more of the same. Got 4 rounds to go. 6 minutes in total. Who's going to be taking home the belt? That is the question we all want to know.
Seconds out. Oh, good left hook there from Bailey. It's really hard to Hoyle to work when there's that much pressure being put on you.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Good body shot.
Bailey really just smothering him with just a barrage of punches.
Like I say, it's very hard to work and figure something out when there's that many punches flying
Hoyle
at
worked
you.
the body well there, but one came straight back at him.
Good right hand there from Hoyle, but Bailey seems unfazed, chasing him across the ring.
Yeah, Hoyle's looking better this round, but I still think Bailey's dominating.
Oh yeah, definitely, yeah.
But positive movements for Hoyle, to say the
Both
least.
fighters looking very sharp.
Yeah, Bailey's really doing some damage with these shots now. Really going to test Hoyle now to see if he can stand the whole 5 rounds taking shots like this. Yeah, referee stops that. Bailey just working the body in the corner. Big swing and a miss from Hoyle. And again, Bailey.
Good slip from
Brilliant
Bailey
slip.
there. Good IQ being shown from both fighters.
Yeah, that head guard really giving Bailey some issues here.
He does fight without it though. I think the head guard being Todd's choice here. I know what Bailey's like, he loves a scrap.
Yeah, head guard or no head guard, Bailey loves it.
Oh,
nice.
Good shot there from Bailey.
Really skilled boxer. The experience really shows with Bailey. Ernest definitely being put onto Hoyle here. He needs to come out and do something big in these next rounds if he wants to be taking that belt home. I'm sure the coaches are going to be issuing some changes for him. Bailey, I think it's going to be a case of more of the same. Need to work that body, work the head again.
Todd needs to keep his distance and not let Bailey get on the inside.
Definitely. When he gets,
definitely an inside fighter.
yeah, he's getting swarmed into the corners a lot, Todd. It's not helping him, not one bit.
Oh, good right hand there from Bailey.
Another good thing about Bailey, he doesn't just lead with a punch and leave it, he follows everything up. Combos.
Oh, good left up there from Bailey.
Nice shot, oh, big shots from Bailey.
Big shot there from Bailey. Good right hand followed up with a solid left hook.
Bailey just don't start working, does he?
No, he's a workhorse. He has an engine on him, does Bailey.
Oh, wow. Nice. You can really hear every punch he lands as well.
Every shot's being thrown with conviction.
Yeah, he's not punching to score, he's punching to stop.
Get off the ropes, Bailey! Step up! You're standing on the ropes too long!
Bailey being instructed to keep out of the way of those ropes. Is that another issue with the head guard?
I think so.
Some valuable minutes to catch their breath here. Or seconds, should we say.
Good left hook there, landed from Todd. A very good round there.
What you mean? Oh! Yeah. Steps up.
Oh yeah, I got some of those.
One line flows, yeah, I got some of those. Hit me, Jamie. Easy. Nah, that's not me. No, that's not me. Sexy, yo, no, that's not me. Sexy, yo, no, that's not me. I used to wear Gucci, I put it all.
And back comes out the supersonic towel.
I used to look like you, but I like a mess. No, that's not me.
Quick show, respect there. And straight back to
Yeah.
it.
Round number 4, kick it off.
Bailey does a really good job of getting the first punch in all these exchanges too.
Good body shot there from Todd. Nice body shot there from Bailey.
Nice.
The screw shot's really working wonders for Bailey here. And again, and again. Todd lands a right hand of his own. Bailey's unfazed though.
Todd doing a better job of avoiding these corners this round.
Oh,
Nice shot
good
from
right
Todd
hand
there.
from Todd.
And one to the body as well. Definitely one of Todd's better exchanges throughout the bout.
Battle now for.
This might be the most even fight we've seen all night.
I mean, we have had a draw. Nice there. Sharp left there from Bailey. And that round is concluded. Much more even round. Much more even round than the previous two, I would say. I think some of the main troubles coming Bailey's way this fight have been his head guard. Really looking sharp with them punches.
Oh yeah, both fighters looking very sharp.
Todd done a lot better job this round of avoiding being trapped in the corner. Managed to get away with a few exchanges of himself as well.
We're gonna keep it rolling. We're like the car was stolen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is for the 5th and final round.
And we are into the round number 5. Who's taking home the GCO British boxing title?
Oh,
Nice,
Bailey turns
Bailey.
in there. Very good set of skills there.
Lots of aggression in every shot. He's not
Hear
just
the
punching to
conviction.
score.
There is serious intent on every one of these shots from both young men as well. Chris asking for the screw shot and Bailey does it. Love to see that.
A warning being issued here to Hoyle.
For holding.
This is boxing, you cannot be holding like that.
Oh, nice body shot there. Just backs up Todd.
This is Warriors versus Undisputed Fight Academy.
Oh,
Nice there.
Lovely bit there from
You saw him
Bailey.
charge that one up.
Good left hook there from Todd.
Nice.
Oh,
Todd
gets
done a
him
good
in
well
the
of getting
corner.
him in the corner there.
He's keeping him there as well. Oh, that was a bit late, that one was, but we move.
We do indeed.
Now that was a very even fight.
Yeah, we're over to the judges with this one. Very even fight. To me, I would give it to Bailey personally. I don't know about you, Mitchell. I think Bailey looked the better of the two.
It's hard to say, really. It's hard to say, but Todd did have some good success there in that fight.
Give a round of applause, everybody. What a battle.
Patiently awaiting the judge's decision. Mitchell, this is a situation you find yourself in before. What goes through your head while you're waiting for the judge's decision?
Well, you know full well if you've won or if you've lost. You know, but I think both fighters here both think that they've won. So it is down to the judges on this one.
Yeah, rightly so. A good performance from both of them.
A very, very even fight. A very good matchmaking from the JackHammer team. I wouldn't like to be judging this one.
No.
Your winner for the GCO British Boxing title. Winner by unanimous decision.
Unanimous
Is in
decision.
the red corner.
Well done, Bailey Burgess.
Well done, Bailey Burgess. He is the new GCO British Boxing Champion. Congratulations to him. And well done to Undisputed Fight Academy
Another
too.
title to add to the collection.
Indeedly so. He's going to need a bigger shelf.
I think he's going to need a bigger belly to hold that belt up.
Yeah.
The GCO title belt is firmly